Let's see how to reset this Tapo Smart Hub H200. It's very simple. You just need to use a paper clip like this one. And here on the back, you're gonna find the reset button. You just need to press and hold for some time. Observe the LED here in front of the Tapo Hub, and you're good to go. Let me just show you how it works. Basically, I'm going to press and hold. So I just come here, press, hold, and then I observe the LED. Right now it's still green. Now it's flashing. I just wait about 10 seconds, starts flashing like this pretty fast. And then I just let it go. Okay. And I just keep observing here until I see that's flashing red and green. And later, if I have the cable connected here like I do, I'm gonna see this amber steady LED. So that means it's ready to go. And I can just set it up again. And as you can see here, it just disappeared from my cell phone. It's no longer here. One more time, let's just observe the LED. Now it's flashing red and green, or amber and green, depending how you see it. And then after some time, you're gonna see steady amber, which means it's ready for the setup. I have another video here in the channel where I show how to set up this Tapo Hub, the H200, and then you can just follow the video and set it up again. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.